guys, it's Tech by SHOURYA, and today I am going to tell you how you can add, subtract, whatever, or we can say how we can do arithmetic calculations in Excel. So here we go. Before watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked my video. Thank you. Now let's come to the video. Now as you can see, I have opened my screen recording. Then I will go to MS Excel. See, I'm searching it and I got it. I'm going to Excel and now I'm going to do the calculation that is addition. So I have written there addition. Now I will write the numbers. And now I will put is equal to sign. And now I will go to each and every number and press the right button of the mouse, and I will press plus after a number. So then I will press enter there, and now it is added now. Now we will do subtraction. I have taken this type of number and I have took the second number. Now I have told before that I will right click on any number and then press the minus key in the keyboard, then it will, and then I will press enter, it will be subtracted. Like see, I will now put minus key and now I will click on the second number and now enter. So you can see now it is subtracted. Now I'm going to do the next calculation, that is multiplication. I will put a number, any number I have put, then I will take another number. Now I will multiply it. Now I will multiply it, and the answer come in E plus. So you can do any calculation. I have took any number, so the answer come in E plus. You can take any number, the answer will not come, then it will not come in E plus. Now we will do division. Now we will take a number 50, I think, yeah. No, we will take a number 600 and then we will divide it by 30. Now after dividing, the answer comes 20. So you can see how we can add, subtract, multiply or divide any number in MS Excel. If you like my video, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share my video as much as you can.